Hey there, welcome to the John's Kitchen. Today I was inspired by Erin On Demand to make this smoothie. After binge watching like 100 of her videos, I kid you not. In case you don't know who Erin is, she's a content creator here on YouTube and I absolutely love her videos. This smoothie is quick, easy and tasty. Perfect for this weather we're all currently enjoying. Put all the ingredients in the blender and mix them all up. Stir a few times once the blender is off, for obvious safety reasons. Pour into the biggest glass you can find, top it up with some gorgeous berries and enjoy. In case you didn't notice, we love fresh berries. As always, you can find the full recipe in the description box. Don't forget to have a quick look once the video is finished. Thank you for staying with us until the end and make sure you click the video on the left to learn how to make Jamaican dumplings. Have a good one, ciao ciao!